When you open Blender, the default screen consists of 4 editors. The large window in the center is the 3D viewport. The outliner is in the top right, the properties panel is in the bottom right, and the timeline is below the 3D viewport. In the 3D viewport, a cube object, a camera, and a light are placed by default. The lines intersecting at right angles on the floor are called axes. The red axis represents the x-axis, the green axis is the y-axis, and the blue axis is the z-axis. The z-axis is hidden by default, so enable it by turning on the Z option in Viewport Overlays Access. Next, let's look at mouse controls. Hold down the middle mouse wheel and drag to change the viewing angle. While doing this, holding Alt allows you to move the view perpendicular or parallel to each axis. The same operation can be performed using the gizmo in the top right. If your mouse does not have a middle button, go to Preferences Input and check Emulate 3-button mouse. This allows you to substitute the middle button with Alt. Now, try scrolling the mouse wheel. This will zoom in and out. The same operation can be done by clicking and dragging the magnifying glass icon. Next, hold Shift while clicking and dragging the mouse wheel to move the view parallel to the screen. The same operation can be performed using the hand icon. These are the only 3 basic view controls. Click the camera icon to switch to the camera view, which allows you to see from the camera's perspective in the 3D viewport. Below that is the toggle for perspective view. As you can see, you can switch perspective on and off. View controls can also be selected from the View menu, Viewport, and Navigation. The Viewport section allows you to align the view perpendicular or parallel to each axis, which is frequently used while working. On the right side, you will see faintly displayed shortcut keys. You can use the numpad to control the view by pressing the corresponding numbers. If your keyboard does not have a numpad, go to Preferences and Input and check Emulate Numpad to use the number keys as a substitute. For a more intuitive approach, click the gizmo axes directly. Both methods achieve the same result.